This is Dr. Rajdeep De. I am the head of the Department of Chemistry Department. This department is started since the inceptions of the university. We are offering here MSc, BSc and PhD. In BSc, we are offering NEP courses and we have very skillful faculties. All the faculty members are doctorate, even they have the postdoctoral experiences. We have a sophisticated lab and state-of-art equipment facilities, industry and research-oriented syllabus, and we have a couple of collaborations with different industries like Holdia Petrochem, Nordish, and there are several collaborations with the TCG Life Science, Chem Biotech. There are so many students have moved for their internship and for their PhD program in IIT Kanpur, IICT Hyderabad, and lots of places. All other research institutes, they are moving and they have done a great job and we are getting a very good feedback from them. Thank you.